what's up guys? Tummy Chiptune here. I'm back from my break, and I've got a special announcement for all of you. Pretty soon, I'm going to be collabing with my best buddy Extra Tuna, my second removed cousin Extra Tuna, Nathan Savage. We are going to be making an epic album! That's right, album! Say it with me, album! That's right, it's going to be coming out really soon. Here's an excerpt!
Undertale, Mario, Sonic, these are games I know. Yeah, but I know more, I ain't bluffing. All the kids at school, they call me Zippy Muffin.
Yay! I hope you're ready, and now on with the tune.